Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a powerful yet super lightweight cleaning solution that's perfect for pet owners, the Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus Corded Stick Vacuum. If you're tired of pet hair sticking to carpets, sofas, and even hard floors, this vacuum is designed exactly for that problem. It comes with a strong corded motor, which means you get consistent suction power without worrying about battery life dropping in the middle of cleaning. One of the standout features here is its versatility. You can easily convert this stick vacuum into a handheld unit in seconds. That makes it perfect for cleaning stairs, car interiors, furniture, and those tight spaces where regular vacuums just can't reach. Now let's talk about pet hair, because that's where this vacuum really shines. It includes two specialized pet attachments that are designed to pick up stubborn hair from upholstery and carpets. Whether you have a dog, cat, or both, this makes cleaning way easier and faster. Another feature I really like is the LED headlights on the floor nozzle. This might sound small, but it actually helps you spot hidden dust and hair under furniture or in darker areas, places most people usually miss. The XL dust cup is also a big plus. You don't have to stop frequently to empty it, which makes your cleaning sessions more efficient. And despite all these features, the vacuum is surprisingly lightweight, so you can carry it around your home without any strain. It works great on both carpets and hard floors, giving you flexibility no matter what type of surface you're dealing with. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use vacuum specifically for pet hair, the Shark Rocket Pet Plus is definitely worth considering. If you want to check it out, I've dropped the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews like this.